Hello, kindergarten. Today we are going to talk about the letter A. A says ah. Apple, astronaut, alligator. All of those words begin with our letter A. We are going to learn how to write the uppercase letter A. So to begin with, we are going to put our pencil at the top of our letter here, and then we are going to draw a diagonal line straight down like this. And then we're going to trace that same line right back up. And then when we get to the top, we are going to draw a diagonal line on the other side, kind of like a tent shape. And then when we get to the bottom of the second line, we pick up our pencil and we draw a horizontal line this way. Now you'll notice that I talked about two different kinds of lines. In the letter A, we have a diagonal line. That means a line that goes at a slant. It's not straight up and down, and it's not straight across. It's at a slant. That is called the diagonal line. Then I talked about a horizontal line that goes across our A. That is a line that does just that. It goes across our letter sideways. So let's try tracing that letter one more time. We're going to put our pencil at the top of our letter to begin our letter. And then we are going to draw a diagonal line down. We leave our pencil on the paper and draw it right back up. We trace that line right back up. When we get to the top, we draw another diagonal line on the other side. And when we get to the bottom of that line, we pick it up, our pencil, and we draw a diagonal line, a horizontal line, across our A. So we have two diagonal lines and we have one horizontal line. This is our uppercase letter A, and it has the sound ah. Today, during our free time, I would like you to practice writing our letter A. We always start at the top and draw a line down, a diagonal line down. We trace it right back up. We draw another diagonal line down. We pick up our pencil and draw a horizontal line across. Thank you for listening and have a good day.